Hi friends, this is Corky the Plum Creek Booksmith, and I'm back with a little flip-flop journal that I made. This is what Leslie over at 507 Willow House Journals makes. I learned from her, and I didn't do it with envelopes though. I did it with some cardstock that have been folded together, and then I collaged them all. And then I made little pockets and little journals inside. So we can just get started here. It's kind of a bird theme journal. The front has a little doily here, and the back has the other half of the doily here, just to decorate the end or the bottom a little bit. So here we go. So the front has the pretty cardinals, and then another little image here. Then I have a little label here with the 7 cents stamped on it. There's a bit of ledger paper here. And then this has a little pocket with another cardinal image. I took this picture in my backyard of a cardinal, and then I made like a miniature Polaroid there. And then I have a calling card or a graduate name card here as a pocket. And then we start the first signature with inside this. There's 5 signatures, as you can see. I think that's 5. 1, 2, 3. Yep, 5. And I'm not sure how many pages within each signature. I'll make sure I have that listed down below. But there's a bird card there. Here's a prescription in this little flip over pocket. I have a little paper clip there. And then I have a little pocket here. And another pocket here. I was going to put something more interesting in this pocket and I forgot, so I will try to remember that. It's a pocket here. It's a copy of a calling card with a bird in a nest. Thought that went well here. And then here's a copy of like a seed catalog page, or maybe it's it's a page. Have a little bit of lace on the edge here. And I have been wanting these sparrow images for the longest time, and I came across one just recently. So I've digitalized it, and I've made a digital kit that you can buy, and I will have it linked down below. I think if I've wanted these sparrows, then I know lots of people have been wanting these sparrows. So I have a Brother scan and cut machine, and so I put like, I don't know, 6 or so on one page, and it can cut it like within 2 minutes. It's a whole lot easier than trying to fussy cut those images myself. So here's a little image out of a nature book. It has some bird images. Another calling card. And then here's a little turn up pocket, and it has what is a chance card from Monopoly, and it's pretty vintage. Here's a feather I think from a peacock, because it has like peacock colors on the ends. And there's a little image from an old greeting card. I just have it folded over a page. And here's another bird card. And then there's a prescription here that's tucked in. And this is like a page from a Chinese book. And here's another little pocket here. You can put a little, you can tuck something there. Oh, I can leave that there, but I didn't really plan on it, but I'll leave that there since I'm showing it. And here's another little tuck spot. A little image here of a rose. And there's a prescription again tucked in this little bottom pocket. Oh boy. Okay, good. Whew. Thought that was really stuck. So I just put some paper. These are like calendar pages from a day book. And I just put one here and here just to give you extra places to write. Another little bottom pocket. It has a copy of a calling card with a bird. A feather that I've stapled on with rusty staples. Since it's a bird theme book. And there's another bird on a collaged piece of paper, or part of the structure of the book. And then I have a pocket here, and it holds this statement paper from 1920. Another little pocket here with some receipts from 1890. Gives you just extra spaces to write. Oh, and there's another pocket. I'll try to remember to have something put in there. And there's a bottom pocket here. And there's a pocket made from this vase with some pretty roses and other flowers in. And then this is from an old greeting card. And I left this here because there was a place over in Hastings, Nebraska. I think it was for retarded adults. And they made some things to sell. And what they did was people would donate old greeting cards. And so the residents there would make greeting cards from the old greeting cards, and then they stamped their logo back behind there. And I bought a bunch of those some time ago, and I use them now and then, but I usually cover over that, but I didn't today because I wanted to talk about it. It gave the residents some things to do and gave them purpose. And this one has a beautiful bird on it. And then this one again came from that same place, and I have it tucked in there with my bulldog clips, and those are available on my Etsy store. They work really good, I think. I just love how they look. So this one's holding another little card, and oh, I guess I just backed this one with some ledger paper. There's another little bird feather. And this lady flips out here. This one holds another one of those statements. This one holds a little card, flashcard. I love this page. Another little snippet out of a nature book. Had pictures of birds. It's where I got the cardinal picture. There's another bird. Not a cardinal, but a red bird. There's another one of those bulldog clips that you can get from my Etsy store. And this one holds an old canceled check from 1929. Right on the back. And now we're back to the front. So I hope you liked my little flip-flop journal. I put a lot of love in it, and I hope you have an amazing day. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and leave a message down below. I love to read your messages. I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye now.